Hello, my dear friends. I am going to tell you Level 2, question with answer based on control panel program, so please watch this video until the end. 1. Which applet of control panel is used for save computer power? Answer: power option. 2. In control panel, which option is used for uninstall any program from computer? Answer: program and features. 3. Which applets of control panel is used for change the AM and PM format of date? Answer: region and language. 4. Which applet of control panel is used for change desktop background, screensaver, and window color of any application? Answer: display. 5. Ease of access center applet used for? Answer: lock keyboard and move the mouse pointer through keyboard. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe it.